put this little guy on. He has got some eyes. He's got some glass beads. He makes a little noise. So, bead chain eyes, root beer, estaz, some tarantula brush, some tan hair, and a couple of eyes. With this guy, let's try. Shoot my flesh. Oh, that was a fish. Oh. 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 Baby Snook. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, am I recording? Oh yes. I hope I got that. Look at how cute he is. Let's give you some water. Oh, I'll get you. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that was so awesome, little guy. Thank you so much. All right, let me let you go. Wait, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Thank you. That was really fun. Oh! Oh, he swirled on it again. Oh, yep, he got it. Oh, yes. It's another baby. Oh, that's so much fun.